Do you ever break down a wall and uncover like a 30-year-old Coke can that's actually full of piss?
Yeah, that actually happened very recently. It was a bottle of Orange Crush and it had piss in it.
Do a taste test?
No, we just knew exactly what that was. And usually when that's in there, that's a telltale sign that that contractor was pissed off at that homeowner and just said, screw you. There's always crap like that. Well, and the other thing too, sometimes it happens where we go into the walls and I've actually pulled open stud work where there's Bible verses written in it. And my personal home, when we renovated there, the joists and all the band boards had Bible verses written on them, you know, just blessing the house. So that was kind of cool to see. I've seen Bible verses, I've seen the prior contractor's name and signature on work behind the walls. I've seen telephone numbers written down, you know, call for a good time. That's always a fun one to see. There was a handwritten note in a wall one time that we couldn't make out because it had just bled, but what we assumed that it was kind of like someone's time capsule. Weirdest scenario though, this happened one time with the tile contractor. The homeowner had just had the shower done a couple years prior and there was actually a leak and they weren't sure where it was coming from, and they dug into some of the details with the trim work and found that there was damage and rot to the subfloor, so they went into the crawl space, and ultimately what happened was when the house was being constructed, they had capped off the top of the wall and a mouse had gotten down in there and was trying to dig his way out and ate through the shower pan, and so evidently just ruined the shower. And it was a slow process, but over time water can get through anything and cause a ton of damage. So that's something that, you know, you just never can count on, or you just never know of. In our case, we don't typically use a rubber shower pan. Our installations are completely custom and we use some premium products that are fiber mesh with waterproofing membranes built into them. And then we use a lot of elastomeric silicones and higher end products that are lightweight. And the installation for our shower pans, they're completely custom. Even the most recent one, the Knoxville city inspector was shocked because he'd never seen the products that we were using and had to look them up and really just make sure that they were qualified materials and that they were being used for the right application. Yeah, it was pretty cool.